Today we're out in the garden, and what better to have on a hot day outside than either some fresh watermelon or an ice cold glass of lemonade. Well, today we're having both. We're going to make watermelon lemonade. Now, to start this recipe, you're going to need about 4 cups of chopped watermelon. I'm using seedless watermelon, but you could use regular watermelon with the seeds. You would just want to try to cut around so that you don't have as many seeds for what you end up putting in the blender. So we're going to go ahead and put our watermelon into the blender. And then we'll start adding our lemons. We're going to want about a cup and a half of lemon juice, and that's equal to about 6 large lemons. So we'll just cut these in half, and then we'll try to squeeze as much juice out of each one of these as we can. And we should end up with about 1.5 cups. Okay, and now that we've got all of our lemons juiced, we'll go ahead and add that to the blender along with our watermelon. And now we will just blend it up until it has a liquid consistency. Okay, and now that looks nice and blended, so we can go ahead and pour it into our pitcher. And then the next thing, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, and then we'll just give that a little stir. And then we're going to add 6 cups of water to our pitcher. Okay, and then we'll give it another little stir, make sure everything is nice and mixed. And this drink is going to be loaded with vitamin C and really a good source of hydration for you and your family on these hot summer days. But really, that's it. We're going to go ahead and pour it into our glasses with ice, and it will be ready to enjoy. So again, this is the watermelon lemonade. I hope you give it a try. I'm sure your family is really going to like this.
For this recipe and more like it, scan this QR code. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.